Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for tax amnesty. Tax amnesty programs offer a chance to resolve unpaid taxes without severe penalties. It's crucial to understand the eligibility criteria and the specific requirements of the program. We'll guide you through the initial steps, ensuring you have all the information needed to start your application process smoothly and effectively. This can provide significant relief. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is meticulous preparation. This involves accurately completing all required tax forms, which can be complex. You'll also need to calculate your total outstanding tax liability, including any interest. A clear, concise explanation for your previous noncompliance is also essential for a successful application. Take your time with these details. With your application fully prepared, it's time for submission. Ensure all forms and supporting documents are included and that you meet the program's specific deadline. Some programs may require an upfront fee or an initial payment towards your outstanding balance. Double-check everything before sending to avoid any delays or rejections. Accuracy here is paramount for a smooth process. After submitting your application, patience is key. The tax authority will review your submission and notify you of their decision. Be ready to respond promptly if they request any further information or clarification. Once approved, it's vital to adhere strictly to all terms of the amnesty agreement, including any payment plans. This ensures you maintain compliance and avoid future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.